friends, my name is Miss Stacy and today we're going to be making a recipe that one of my students shared with me. So we're going to give it a try. We're going to be making Mangú, which is a dish that is sometimes eaten for breakfast, I believe, in the Dominican Republic. And you will need 2 green plantains, a little bit of salt, some olive oil, some butter, or you could replace it with some sort of cooking oil instead, a little bit of vinegar, an onion, and if you have an ingredient that I didn't have at my home but that my student recommended, is adding salami to go on the side or on top. In addition, you'll need 1 little pan to fry, 1 pot to boil some water in, a mixing bowl, a knife, and a fork to mash things with. Since we'll be doing some cutting and using the stove during our recipe today, I would recommend having an adult do this recipe with you. Hola a todos, me llamo Señorita Stacy y hoy vamos a hacer una receta que uno de mis estudiantes me dio, que es una receta de mangú, que normalmente se come para el desayuno, y para esta receta se necesita 2 plátanos verdes, sal, aceite, mantequilla, vinagre, una cebolla y un tenedor, un cuchillo, una sartén, una olla y una taza.
First, add water to the pot. Primero, agregue agua a la olla. Add a pinch of salt to the water. Agregue una pizca de sal al agua.
The first thing that we need to do is cut the plantains. La primera cosa que tenemos que hacer es cortar los plátanos.
Remove the seeds from the middle of the plantain. Retira las semillas del medio del plátano. Cut the onion into thin slices. Pelar la cebolla y picarla a la juliana o rayas. Add the plantains to the boiling water and boil for 7 to 10 minutes. Añade los plátanos al agua. Hervir por 7 a 10 minutos. Add a tablespoon of oil to the pan and heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Agregue una cucharada de aceite a la sartén y caliente durante 1 a 2 minutos. Then add the onions and saute for 4 to 5 minutes. Add a bit of salt and vinegar. Entonces, añade la cebolla y cocina por 4 a 5 minutos. Añade un poco de sal y vinagre. Once the plantains are done boiling, drain the water carefully and keep a bit of the water in the pot. Luego, mover la olla del fuego, botar el agua y dejar un poco del agua en la olla. Now, you will need a bowl, a fork, and the butter. Ahora se necesita el tazón, un tenedor y la mantequilla. Add a tablespoon of the butter to the plantains and mash together. Agrega un poco de mantequilla y mezcla con los plátanos.
Now it's time for a taste test. I hope you can try this recipe at home and let me know if you tried it, you liked it, or you loved it. Here we go. Ahora vamos a probarlo. Si haces esta receta en casa, por favor, dígame si te gusta, no es tu favorito, o te encanta. I'd say I loved it. I would eat this for breakfast.